Welcome to your Eagles Nest Live for your AHS Morning News. Hello, I'm Logan.
Hello, I'm Allie.
Hello, I'm Courtney.
And I'm Macy, and we are here to provide you with the news for today, Tuesday, September 22nd.
Over the weekend, girls golf team member Macy Brown competed in the Girls All-State Championship at the University Club of Kentucky in Lexington. Macy finished with the 36-hole event with a score of 165. Great job, Macy. Congratulations to you.
Last Friday night, the volleyball team traveled to Henderson County. Apollo won the first set, and Henderson won the second and third set. And Apollo fought back in the fourth set and didn't let up. It was a great fight that lasted all the way to 5 sets. The last set score was 15-12. Congratulations, girls.
Now Jack Wheels gives us a look at last Friday night's events at Eagle Stadium.
It's a blue world without you. It's a blue well, listen, man, world it made me crazy. Might just turn around to 180. I ain't politicking, I ain't kissing no babies. The devil on my doorstep being so shady. Don't trip. We don't gotta let him in. Don't trip. Hey, yeah. I let it go, but I never go with it. Yeah, okay, cool as fall weather. I'm here to make it all better with a little music for you. I don't do enough for you. Without you, it's the color blue. I was in the city, came to Chardonnay. Had the homies with me out of Southern A split. We ain't even worried, we just laughing, that's rich. You know how it goes, it ain't broke, don't fix. Hey, one of these days we'll all get by. Don't be afraid, don't fall. Think I lost my mind. Reality so hard to find. When the devil trying to call your line, I always shine. Even when the light dim. No, I ain't God, but I'm feeling just like him. Oh, don't trip. See, I was in the whip ride, me and my he was listening to us, no one else, that's it. Just a flesh, just a bit. Let me talk my say my head got big. Yeah, well listen, man, world it made me crazy. Might just turn around to 180. I ain't politicking, I ain't kissing no babies. The devil on my doorstep being so shady. Don't trip. We don't gotta let him in. Don't trip. Hey, yeah. I let it go, but I never go with it. Don't trip. Don't trip.
Thank you, Jack. That was an awesome perspective. It's so good to see our Eagles playing in our new stadium.
The Apollo Spirit Store is open daily from 1:30 to 3:30 p.m. If you would like to purchase an item from the Spirit Store, please call the school office at 270-852-7100 to make an appointment. You may also email the AHS Spirit Store Manager, Ms. Kim Myers, at kim.myers@davis.kyschools.us.
If students are going to be unable to participate and be actively engaged in any class, parents should call to report the student's absence at 270-852-7100.
Please remember, if you have trouble with your device at home, you may contact our help desk at tech.help@davis.kyschools.us.
During Orange Light status, ESS tutoring sessions will be available in science, math, and English via Google Meet each Tuesday and Thursday afternoon from 3:30 to 4:30. The first ESS session of the school year begins today, Tuesday, September 22nd. Students must register using their school email account each day they are being tutored. You can find the ESS registration link under the Students Quick Link tab on Apollo's homepage. Immediately following the registration, an email will be sent with a Google Meet link to join the tutoring session. If you plan to attend, be prepared to ask questions.
Breakfast and lunch are free for all DCPS students this semester. While we are on Orange Light status, Apollo High School students can pick up free meals on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays from 11:30 to 12:30 at the Gemini student drop-off and pickup area.
We want to wish good luck to the JV and varsity volleyball team as they host Owensboro Catholic this evening. And good luck to the girls golf team as they compete this evening at Ben Hawes. Thank you and have a great day.
Good morning, Eagles. Happy Tuesday morning to you. We are very excited to be able to have our Group A freshmen in the building not next week, tomorrow. Tomorrow, Group A freshmen will be going through orientation time. And so, again, if you are a Group A freshman, be sure to be prepared to come to school tomorrow, and we'll walk you through the process. Also, Apollo staff, remember to nominate your colleagues, classified and certified staff of the month for September. Nominations close today, so be sure to nominate your colleagues that are worthy of that honor. Picnic tables, we have 5 picnic tables out around on the sidewalks on both sides of the gazebo near the breezeway. So teachers, please feel free, staff, if you just need a breather and taking a break between class or whatever, also available during lunch while the weather is nice. So the picnic tables are here. As far as birthdays go, today wish Mr. Ethan Klaus a happy birthday, along with Daniel Hatcher on this 22nd of September. Let's make it a great day.